Now we are going to discuss the question from signals and systems, which is given in GATE 2005. So given that the output y of t of a linear time invariant system is related to its input x of t by the following equation: y of t equals to 0.5 x of t minus td plus capital T plus x of t minus td plus 0.5 x of t minus td minus capital T. Then we need to find the filter transfer function h of omega is given by. So here we need to find the transfer function of the linear time invariant system given the equation given the following equation. So here the answer is the first option, that is 1 plus cos omega t of e power minus j omega td. Now we will see the solution for this. So coming to the solution, here given that y of t equals to 0.5 x of t minus td plus capital T plus x of t minus td plus 0.5 x of t minus td minus capital T. So here we can write this as 0.5 x of t minus of td minus capital T plus x of t minus td plus 0.5 x of t, taking the minus as common, td plus capital T. Now here we need to find the h of omega. We need to find the h of capital H of omega. We know that the capital H of omega is equals to always y of omega divided by x of omega. Now by applying the Fourier transform for the given equation, we can find the y of omega by x of omega. So apply the Fourier transform for this. So we know that the Fourier transform of y of t is y of omega equals to 0.5. So here this is x of t minus td minus capital T. So this is like x of t minus t naught. So that is the time shifted signal. So the Fourier transform of the time shifted signal we need to write here. So here we know that the Fourier transform of x of t is x of omega. So by knowing the Fourier transform of x of t, we can obtain the Fourier transform of the time shifted signal using the time shifting property. So here the time shifting property, by applying the time shifting property, this is equals to 0.5 e power minus j omega t naught is nothing but td minus capital T into x of omega plus here the time shifting property e power minus j omega td into x of omega plus 0.5, this is e power minus j omega td plus capital T into x of omega. So that's what that Fourier transform. So by taking the common of x of omega here, we can write this as 0.5 into e power minus j omega td into e power j omega capital T plus, this is e power minus j omega td plus 0.5 e power minus j omega td into e power minus j omega capital T. So taking the common of x of omega here, this becomes x of omega. So by writing here, we can observe that we can take the common of 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into e power minus j omega td out of this and this term. So by taking the common of 0.5 into e power minus j omega td, now you'll see what we'll get. So we'll get x of omega equals to, taking the common of 0.5 into e power minus j omega td, we will get e power j omega capital T plus e power minus j omega capital T plus this is e power minus j omega td. This is totally multiplied with x of omega. So finally, by writing that h of omega equals to y of omega by x of omega, we will get this as e power minus j omega td into 0.5 of e power j omega capital T plus e power minus j omega capital T plus e power minus j omega td. So here we can observe that this is like e power j omega theta plus e power minus j omega theta. 0.5 is nothing but by 2. So we know that this is equals to cos omega t. Cos theta. Theta is nothing but omega t here. So we can write it as e power minus j omega td into cos omega capital T plus e power minus j omega td. So taking the common of e power minus j omega td, we will get 1 plus cos omega t capital T into e power minus j omega td. So this is h of omega. So that's what the required answer here, required expression, the transfer function of the given system, that is 1 plus cos omega t into e power minus j omega td. That's what the answer A here.